Welcome! If you're looking to keep your Instagram activity private while using the app on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to hide your activity status on the Instagram app for PC following the latest update. This is a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find the one labeled More. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it to expand more options. From the expanded menu, select Settings. This will open up a new window with all your account preferences. Take a moment to explore if you'd like, but for now, we're focusing on Privacy. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section titled Message and Story Replies. Click on it. This section controls how your messages and story interactions are managed, including who can see when you're active. Now, find the option called Show Activity Status. Click on it to enter the detailed settings. Here, you'll see a switch labeled Show Activity Status. By default, this is usually enabled, which means your friends and followers can see when you're online or last active. To hide your activity status, simply toggle off the switch. Once it's disabled, your contacts won't be able to see when you're active on Instagram. Keep in mind, when you turn off your activity status, you also won't be able to see the activity status of others. And that's it. You've just made your Instagram experience a little more private, all from your PC. If you ever want to change this setting back, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch on again. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on Instagram and other social media platforms. See you in the next video.